The Veterans Network group is kind of interesting to me because, of course, as a reservist, I was always interested in it. I always got involved in a lot of the drives that they did to collect items and donations to send to troops. So I always had said, I will always support this group because if I was ever deployed, I would want that kind of support. So I immediately got involved. Of course, I knew some of the members already, some of them I was serving with. And so it became a great asset and a great way for me to learn more about the company and to learn what Ford did to support its veterans. When I first started, I was on the end where I loved to collect donations and send to people and help out family members. I think I really didn't realize the true importance of it until I became one of the people that received those boxes. I found a group on my base, which was Wounded Warriors. And these were people who were wounded in combat. Most of them were taken right off the field. They had their uniforms cut, torn, whatever, off of them so that they could receive medical treatment, urgent medical care, and they were sent to our base. So they would come to our base and they would have nothing with them. Some of them had some pretty serious injuries. Some of them wouldn't even talk to you. Some of them, I just introduced myself, I'd shake their hand, thank them for their service. And just say, you know what, I've got a box here. Here's some of the stuff that that I've got friends and coworkers and family, people who have sent this stuff. If you want it, it's yours. And some of the kids would be super excited. They'd be like, what's in there? Anything good? Like they'd pull out Twizzlers and then others, some of the more reserved kids, some of them were injured pretty badly. Some of them would read the letters from school kids and they just start crying. Yeah, so they, complete strangers. So, we did a really good thing. I'm Erin Meadows. I'm a compliance analyst at Ford Credit, and this is my Ford story.